we have realized that they have some differences to iron out. And the organizing group of who are purportedly thinking that they are having an election tomorrow did not follow the process. Because they are supposed to get the guidance from the Minister of Gender, Culture and Social Development, which is the right ministry that controls the chiefdoms and kingdoms. And as they get the guidance from there, the ministry is supposed to oversee any elections by first gazetting the sitting chief, then they call for the elections of the chiefdom to follow the procedure. So as they communicated to me, I got another communication from the chiefdom of Acholi through the Prime Minister, who informed us that these people we are preparing the elections are not known and are not legally in line with the existing charge of the chief in Acholi. So through our consultation with folks, it is likely to cause of peace and violence, and we decided that they should cancel it and postpone it to the time that they will follow the procedures and be cleared under the guidance of the right ministry. So that is our stand. On security grounds, cannot allow people to assemble Gimara and cause the breach of peace when we are seeing. Because it has already attracted enough public attention and nothing can happen. So we advise them to follow cultural and legal procedures to achieve their objectives.